Yay! Our package arrived today. Ayan. Nasa labas kasi kami at birthday pa ni Pudra. So, bumibili kami ng mga food. Buti na lang nasagot ng sis ko yung call nila. And yung isang contact off pa yung phone dahil na low bat na. So, ayun, naabutan naman namin. And it's gonna be exciting kasi mag-unboxing tayo later.
We're doing unboxing.
Yay! Let's go!
Let's go.
So, we received the box. Guys, so we're doing unboxing. Dumating ng aming balikbayan box from Abu Dhabi. Siyempre, andito yung mga gamit before we travel here. Finally, dumating na. And siyempre, some stuff from my sisters there in Abu Dhabi also. Let's start with the small one. Ayan, medyo na-open na. Wow! That's a lot! Merry Christmas! So, syempre, may chocolate. Oh my God! May langgam na! So, we have oatmeal. Ayan, guys. Medyo na-open na yata. So, we'll put it on the floor. So, oh my God! Nilanggam na ang hazelnut cocoa. Wow! Nikki! What's this? This is a lot. Oh my gosh. Look! What's this? Wow! Lollipop. So we have a lot of some chocolates. Chocolates. Right? Chocolates. Siyempre, ang masarap na Indomie. And oh my gosh, ang daming dates! Yay! Merry Christmas! Sino kayong mabibigyan namin? We'll see. So, more dates. Dates. So, may mga Mentos. Sinulit syempre ang box. Misis ko ang nag-box nito bago kami umalis. Ayan. So, napakaraming dates, guys. Oh, no. Okay. So, what is this? Peanut butter. Wala, may langgam. So, maraming Bounty chocolate. May holes. Ayan ang mga candies. So, may chocolate ulit. M&M's. Another chocolates. M&M's. Toblerone. So, ayan. Meron ulit Toblerone. Napakarami. Siyempre, meron ding cream of mushroom. Okay. Sardines. Another dates. Another dates. Ang dami. So, napakaraming dates. Another dates. Wow! Enjoy! Marami kami nabibigyan yan. Siyempre, may pa-coffee para kay Mudray and Pudray. Ang Heinz mayonnaise. Wow! Ang laki. Honey! So, may tea. May salt pa. Lipton tea. Siyempre, meron tayong mga oatmeals. Ayan guys. Ang dami, oatmeals. At siyempre, meron din vitamins. Cotton buds. May Nesquik, siyempre. Meron ding Milo. Okay, some pasta. Ayan, ang daming pasta. Sa UAE Global Dad. Siyempre, may pasta ulit. And some popcorn. At meron din tayong some chocolate chip cookies. Ayan. Siyempre, meron ding mga creams. Some tuna. Ayan guys, tuna. Ang daming stock na tuna ulit. Sardines. Ay, and syempre may corned beef. Something. No, may open. Oh no, parang ito may nabukas na sardines. Siguro nadaganan kasi. So ayan, oopsie, ang baked beans and cream. Syempre maraming pasta. Yung spaghetti. Tama-tama sa Pasko mga kapatid. And okay, almond powder guys. And, oh my god, ang sugar. Ang bigat. So merong 5 kg sugar. Yes. So yun ang mga nilalaman ng small box. For now, ayan guys. So bubuksan namin yung isa pang box. So bali jumbo box. So may free siyang bulilit box. Ang daming aayusin tonight. Ayan, napakaraming dates. Healthy kasi ang dates. Tsaka meron din kami mga bibigyan. So may sugar. And another big box will open. So later, ayan, napakarami. So ito pa lang yung nasa small box. Now the big box. Let's see what's inside. Wow! Siyempre may towel. Amoy imported. Okay, yung dati na ito na binigay ko pa siya. From Abu Dhabi bag. Look. Kay Modra, ito yung Abu Dhabi bag. May seafood.
Yeah, dami!
Siyempre, meron tayong Doritos.
So, that's it guys. Bali, inabot lang ng 52 days ito at na-receive na namin ng Sea Cargo. At talagang nataon pa sa birthday ni Pudra nang ma-receive namin. So, ayan. It's a happy Christmas and ayun, syempre, Pinas Cargo. Ang galing. So far okay naman. Wala naman akong marereklamo at safe naman yung box na napadala sa amin. Meron lang mga na pitpit pero it's normal, but everything is here. I think nothing, they didn't touch it, so no worries. So I think mauulit kami muling magpadala sa Pinas Cargo. So ayun guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe the Saldanas vlog. Don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you posted on my next video. Till next time guys, thanks, bye!